Hi guys, today I'm making another salad recipe. It's really hot and I just want to keep eating salad, so that's why all the salad recipes lately. For me, this is the ultimate pasta salad. It's loaded with vegetables, fresh herbs, and tossed with the perfect dressing. We'll need pasta. I'm using rotini, fresh tomatoes. These are pretty little red tomatoes. You can use any color or size tomato. Fresh basil leaves and fresh parsley. I'll be using dried herbs in the dressing, so if you can't get fresh, it's okay to leave them out. Red bell pepper and green bell pepper cut into bite-sized pieces. Thinly sliced sweet onion. These are vidalia onions. If you want to use a regular red onion or yellow onion, slice and soak them in water for 10 minutes to get the bite out. Broccoli florets that I've cut up into bite-sized pieces. These are whole black olives cut in half. You can use jarred or canned olives. Mozzarella. These are little balls. A block of mozzarella is fine, just cut it into small pieces. Pepperoni that I've sliced into strips. Leave it out to keep the salad vegetarian. For the dressing, olive oil, white vinegar, salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, dried basil, dried oregano, dried thyme, celery seed, and sugar. Whisk, give it a taste, and add more salt or sugar if you like. Remember that the olives and salami are going to be salty, so don't add too much to the dressing. You can always add it at the end when all the ingredients are mixed together. Put a large pot of water on to cook the pasta. When the water comes to a full boil, add a tablespoon of salt. Put the pasta in and stir. Cook until tender. Rotini takes about 8-9 minutes. To save time, make the dressing and prep all the other ingredients while the pasta is cooking. Stir the pasta in between and taste it at 8 minutes. 1 minute before the pasta is finished cooking, add the broccoli. The broccoli needs to cook just for 1 minute. The broccoli is bright green. Go ahead and turn the heat off. We'll drain it. Rinse it under cold water and drain it. Put the pasta and broccoli into a wide dish or rimmed baking sheet to help it cool faster. Pour the dressing on and mix well. Add the tomatoes, onion, green pepper, red pepper, olives, pepperoni if using, mozzarella, chopped parsley, and basil cut into strips. Mix it all up. Cover and put it in the fridge for a few hours if you like cold salad. It's also good served at room temperature. There's so many different textures and flavors in this salad, it's definitely not boring. My whole family loves this salad and I hope yours does too. To get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.